new day. I'm in the addition and we are about to start installing some windows. This is stressful. So we are adding a bead of caulk or sealant all the way around before we slide it into place. I'm giving him a hand holding it because of course the wind picked up, right? There goes nothing. Square. The window is square. The opening is square. Hot dog. All right, the second one is sort of in. We're making sure that it's nice and level and plumb. And they will start adding the nails. 3 windows are in. 1 more to go. Okay, all 4 windows are in place. They look nice. Again, I'm not used to using these vinyl windows because they're not historic. So in the historic district, it's not an option, but it's perfect for right here on the river. And you can see that they look great from out here. These are gonna last a long time. So we're back. Yesterday you saw us install all of these windows. We are working on trimming those out now, and we are waiting on sheetrock to arrive because very soon we're gonna start turning our attention inside. Our next step is to start trimming out. We are using that same PVC trim that we had used on the kitchen windows. So I got that first piece cut. It's gonna go right here. It's gonna look great. Get it all trimmed out. And hopefully this addition's gonna look like it's always been here. And 1 window is done. Looks fantastic. Now we've just got to make our way around the corner. Have to work on this great big one next. We don't have a door yet. It's been ordered, but it's not here just yet. Once that is in place, we'll be completely dried in, and then we can get the insulation team in to insulate the walls and under the house. We are still rocking. We got this window all trimmed out. We got the next window all trimmed out. They are doing last little details like this little bit of siding. We've still got to add the trim on our soffit. Lots of little things that add up to big things. Here you can see the double windows and this big window all trimmed out. Looks so good. Love this. We've still got to do some siding work upstairs. You can see we're still looking at the tie back up there, but we're making progress. They're working on the geometry of that triangle because neither side is flat. So you've got the slope of this roof and the slope of the addition roof. So this is the roof we're tying in. So good job figuring out the geometry on that. Now let's cut it and see if it fits. Okay, here comes the moment of truth. Let's see if the geometry is right, if it's gonna fit. We also need the little siding ridges to run. Perfecto, perfecto. All right, we've added caulk where that seam's gonna be, and it is truly perfecto. Meanwhile, Jesus is up there checking loose boards, checking for any more rot, and we're gonna start siding that dormer, or re-siding that dormer. So cutting out pieces of siding that's gonna go on the side of the window. I'll walk around to the side and show you what all they've accomplished. You can't really see it, but the triangle on the far side is done, and you can see that a lot of around the window is sided as well. They're gonna get that piece on the side done, and then all of the siding will be on. Still gotta do soffits. I've gotta go pick up some corner boards, so there's more to be done. Meanwhile, I have a project inside. So the homeowners are coming this weekend, and unfortunately their stay is gonna be a little bit like camping. So they have only been staying in the bonus room upstairs, and we haven't touched this room so that they had a sanctuary, a haven, can't you tell? We have one problem. You remember how I told you that the electrical was pretty messed up? So nothing was wired in areas, and electrical in a bedroom and a kitchen might be wired together. And sadly, most of the wiring up here is also part of the kitchen wiring. And you know that that's a big rip out right now. So we have one receptacle that works up here. And I've brought a ton of extension cords, any kind of lamp I could find in my storage, and we're gonna try to get them some light. So that's my project for today. All right, so the one plug that works is over here. It is wired completely separate from everything else, probably because it used to run this air conditioning unit. Speaking of the AC, the heat and the electric do work up here, so that's good. So we've got them a television, we've got a lamp over here, a lamp by the bed, and one tiny little lamp to use in the bathroom. So I used up 3 extension cords doing that. I've got 1 more cord and 2 more lamps. So we're also gonna see if we can get them some light in the living room, because there's also 1 receptacle that works down there. Oh, and we've got to find somewhere where we can plug up the refrigerator. It's just been chilling downstairs in the kitchen. We're gonna put it in the living room, or maybe a bedroom, and see if we can find somewhere where they can at least have some cold beverages. So like I said, a little bit like camping. So I am back. I just made a trip back to Washington to pick up the door for our addition. Before I did that though, I gave the house a little clean. Got some lamps happening, moved the coffee maker over to where there's actually some power. The guys are gonna bring the door around pretty quick and install that. But in the meantime, let's go outside and see what they were working on while I was gone. So you saw them cutting the triangle up in the top of that dormer. That is all in place. That corner board is in place, as is the trim piece where the siding meets the soffits. We are doing a little caulking down here on the addition. The aluminum tape has been added to the corners, and Jesus is cutting the corner boards for the riverside. I'm gonna stand inside and try to be out of the way because they are making their way around with the door that's going there, and it's tight quarters. So I'm gonna watch it like I'm in an aquarium. All right, they've unboxed it and they're bringing it into place. There's an air hose in the way. They'll get that out of the way. There you go. Get the air hose out of the way. And we're gonna get it set. The door is in. The door is also open, but the door has been hung. It's an outswing to save some space in the sunroom. Also, the other door in this area is an outswing. Got a little glass there. I love it. Okay, so the door is in and we are gonna start wrapping up for the day. I have gotten lights in here, well, limited lights. We figured out how to plug up the refrigerator. It is chilling and we are ready for the homeowners to come and enjoy their house for the weekend. So we won't be back until next week. I hope that you will be back then too.